Gold. Its cost increased from $700 to $1,700 per ounce in 5 years. It is a precious commodity. Most of the world's gold is produced by hard rock mining and is acquired at a great cost in both money and labor hours. Another precious resource just falls out of the sky: water. Let's say you own 1 acre of property. If you purchased enough water to cover it 4 feet deep from an area utility company, it would cost you about $5,000. With sewer included, it would cost about $16,000. If you purchased that amount of purified drinking water at the store, it would cost up to $2 million. Of course, if that 4-foot layer of water was gold, it would be worth a lot more. But if there was no water left in the world, you would probably trade all your gold without reservation for one small glass. While harvesting rainwater is not worth millions of dollars in gold, you will see that it can be very valuable in your home for enhancing your quality of life while you contribute to a healthy and green environment. With East Tennessee's average rainfall and your, let's say, 2,000 square foot roof, you could collect about 55,000 gallons of this precious commodity every year. Just like a tomato from the garden, it is ready for harvest, so why not capture it, store it, and use it? It's yours and it's free. Of course, this is no new idea. Grandma was catching and using the water out of her cistern 60 years ago. But the process is new and improved. With today's technology, your water stays clear and the tank never needs cleaning. So how does it all work? Rain falls onto the roof and into the gutters. At the bottom of the downspouts, it enters an underground conveyance pipe that joins all the downspouts together. Then water enters a self-cleaning, maintenance-free WISY vortex filter that filters the water down to 300 microns. The vortex filter has built-in first flush capabilities for removing roof debris washed down in the first bit of rain. The first flush water is then routed to a rain garden or the natural storm runoff. As the rest of the water enters the storage tank, it goes through a device called a smoothing inlet. This inlet is designed so the water coming in does not disturb the water on the bottom 4 inches of the tank. The bottom of the tank contains a biofilm, a healthy microbiological layer that maintains the tank and keeps the water crystal clear. When water is used, it is pumped from the tank. The water is first pumped through a floating filter intake. The intake is a fine mesh stainless steel screen that is suspended a few inches below the water surface to draw in the cleanest water in the tank. The pumped water then leaves the tank to its intended purpose. The appropriate filtration equipment is selected according to the use of the rainwater. A skimming overflow device is also installed. It acts like a gate, designed to prevent debris and insects from entering the tank from further down the overflow. The overflow is also routed to rain gardens or the normal stormwater runoff. Rainwater harvesting systems can also be configured with a secondary overflow that drains to a soil infiltration system if configured for more demanding stormwater control measures. So what happens if there's a dry spell and the rainwater runs out? A secondary water source will be connected to the system. If the water runs low, it will automatically signal for the backup source to engage. The backup system is normally a private well or municipal water supply. Okay, so that's how it works. But what can this water be used for? Rainwater can be used in the same way any water is used. Irrigate your lawn, water your flowers, enjoy it in a fresh glass of ice water, wash your laundry, take a shower, make a pot of coffee, store it for fire protection, help manage your property stormwater, wash your cars, fill your swimming pool. It's rainwater. Use it in any and every way. Help pass along the gift of East Tennessee's abundant water to your children and grandchildren. Rainwater is great water. Celebrate the rain.